In this question, we have to find product of the given reaction. Now, this is alkene, and when alkene is treated with chlorine in presence of high temperature, now in this case allylic substitution takes place, and due to allylic substitution it will form allyl chloride. So, allyl chloride is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is B. In this question, we have to find final product of given sequential reaction. So, first alkyl cyanide is treated with alkaline water. So, under basic medium it will be converted to amide on partial hydrolysis. So, 4 carbon containing amide is formed. Now, this amide on further reacting with bromine and KOH, now Hofmann bromide reaction takes place, and due to Hofmann bromide reaction 1 carbon less containing amine is formed. So, amine is formed which is having total 3 carbon. So, propanamine is the final product, and hence correct answer is A. In this question, we have 3 molecule, and by observing these molecule we have to compare which of the following statements are correct. Now, in first molecule, if bond is broken, then one will be positive, acquire positive charge, and other will acquire negative charge. So, now upper ring is aromatic in nature, while lower ring is anti-aromatic in nature. In second case, when this bond is broken, now bond will be broken in such a way that species formed are comparatively more stable. So, if positive charge acquire in upper ring and negative charge in lower ring, now both of ring are aromatic. In third case, if bond is broken, then upper ring acquire positive charge. So, upper ring will be aromatic, and lower ring having negative charge, but due to lack of cyclic resonance it will be non-aromatic. So, if we compare stability, now stability is maximum for 2, then 3, and then 1. Now, if we compare dipole moment, now this is the sequence of stability. Now, comparing dipole moment depend on magnitude of charge separation and distance between charges. If bond is broken, then positive and negative charge is created, due to which there is high charge separation, and hence dipole moment will be higher. So, dipole moment is again maximum for 2, then 3, and then 1. Now, among these compound, second is most stable and first is least stable or more reactive. So, statement first is correct. Dipole moment varies 2, 3, 1. Dipole moment is maximum for 2, then 3, then 1. Statement 2 is more stable than 1. This is also correct, because in 1 aromatic and anti-aromatic both rings are formed, while in 2 only aromatic rings are formed. So, this statement is also correct. First is more reactive among 3. Yes, first is having anti-aromatic ring, and due to presence of anti-aromaticity, this molecule will be highly reactive and it will not be stable at room temperature, and hence option 3 is also correct, and hence correct answer is D. All of the above are correct. In this question, we have to find which method is used to separate sugar. Now, a variety of types of sugar are available, such as monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are those which cannot be hydrolyzed further, oligosaccharides which can be hydrolyzed to get 2 to 10 monomeric unit, polysaccharides which have n number of units, neutral sugar which are not having any acidic or basic group, acidic sugar in which acidic groups are present, amino sugar which have amine group, sugar alcohol, and various type of isomers are possible for carbohydrate or sugar. So, they are separated by high performance liquid chromatography system, which is a method of chromatography, and hence correct answer is C. Sugars are separated by HPLC method. An unknown alcohol is treated with Lucas reagent. to determine whether alcohol is primary, secondary or tertiary, which alcohol will react fastest and by what mechanism. So, when alcohols are treated with HCl and ZnCl2, they form alkyl halide. Now, HCl and ZnCl2 first react to form huge amount of H positive ion. Now, in presence of H positive ion, OH gets protonated and it will form ROH2 positive oxonium ion. Now, oxonium ion is having positive charge on oxygen, so it would be highly unstable. So, it will remove water molecule to form R positive carbocation. Now, this carbocation will accept Cl negative from ZnCl3 and it will be converted to alkyl halide. Now, this reaction takes place via formation of carbocation and carbocations are formed in SN1 mechanism. So, this reaction takes place via SN1 mechanism and rate of SN1 reaction depend on stability of carbocation. Higher is the stability of carbocation, higher is the rate of reaction. So, out of 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree carbocation, 3 degree carbocation is most stable, and if carbocation is intermediate stable, then reaction would be fastest. So, which alcohol react fastest? Tertiary alcohol react fastest via SN1 mechanism and hence correct answer is D. Acetic anhydride is prepared in the laboratory by heating sodium acetate. So, if acetyl chloride is heated with sodium acetate CH3COONA. Now, this CH3COONA act as nucleophile, donate pair of electrons, Cl negative is released and it will be converted to acetic anhydride and hence correct answer is B, acetyl chloride. In this question we have to find that acetone and propionylaldehyde can be distinguished by. Now, one molecule is aldehyde and other molecule is ketone. Aldehyde can be further oxidized by Tollens reagent. So, aldehyde will oxidize Tollens reagent, will be oxidized in presence of Tollens reagent, while ketone will not react with Tollens reagent and hence correct answer is B. While neutral FeCl3 will not react with any of the molecule, NHSO3 will react with both the molecule, 2,4-DNP will react with both the molecule. So, only can be differentiated by using Tollens reagent. In this question, we have to find which of the following is classified as condensation polymer. So, condensation polymers are formed when simple molecule like water or ammonia is removed. Now, reacting terephthalic acid with ethylene glycol will form a polymer after removal of various water molecule. Now, polymer terylene or dacron is formed and hence correct answer is A. Now, neoprene is polymer of chloroprene. So, neoprene is formed from chloroprene and neoprene is addition polymer. Teflon is formed from tetrafluoroethylene. So, Teflon is also addition polymer of tetrafluoroethylene. Polyacrylonitrile is formed from acrylonitrile and they all are polyacrylonitrile except first they all are addition polymer and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to identify correct structure of L-glucose. Now, D-glucose and L-glucose are mirror image enantiomer of each other. Now, this structure in which at second carbon OH is situated at right side and at third position OH at left side and fourth and fifth position OH in right side. Now, this molecule is having OH on last chiral carbon at right hand direction. Now, this molecule is D-glucose. So, its enantiomer will be L-glucose. Now if its mirror image is done, now its mirror image will be similar to OH, H, H, OH, OH, H, OH, H and CH2OH, and this molecule, this structure is similar to structure given in option A, and hence correct answer is A. Now this molecule is D-glucose and this molecule represent structure of L-glucose. So this molecule is enantiomer of D-glucose, as well as at last chiral carbon OH is situated in left side, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to identify which of the following compound is most acidic. Now acidic strength depend on stability of conjugate base, and stability of conjugate base depend on presence of electron withdrawing group. So more the number of electron withdrawing group, higher will be acidic strength. Now in phenol molecule, in first case CH3 is present, which is having plus I effect and plus H effect, so it will be overall electron donating, and if electron donating groups are present, they will decrease acidic strength. Now in second case phenol is present, which may be taken as reference. In third case NO2 is present, which is having very strong minus I and very strong minus M, so it will increase acidic character. In third case, now 3 NO2 groups are present, so minus I and minus M effect of 3 groups are present, so trinitrophenol or picric acid will be most acidic. In this question, we have to find the most unlikely resonating structure of para-nitrophenoxide ion. Now, first structure is para-nitrophenoxide ion, and if resonance takes place, now these electrons are shifted, and so dianion this is formed. Now, this structure is not preferred structure for resonating structure for para-nitrophenoxide ion, because in this case nitrogen is forming 5 bond, while maximum covalency possible for nitrogen is 4. So this is invalid resonating structure, and hence correct answer is C. Phenol is, so now if we draw a structure of phenol, now this is phenol molecule, and pK value for phenol molecule is 10. In first case this is weaker base than ammonia, so this is wrong statement, because phenol is not base, it is having acidic character, and acid is stronger than carbonic acid. Now carbonic acid is H2CO3, which is having pK value 7. Now lower the pK value, higher is the acidic strength, so carbonic acid H2CO3 is stronger acid than phenol, so statement B is incorrect. An acid weaker than carbonic acid, now option C is correct, and hence correct answer is C. When ethyl chloride and alcoholic KOH are heated, the compound obtained is, so when ethyl chloride is heated with alcoholic KOH, now E2 reaction takes place, and due to elimination ethene is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is A. A compound which is a strong oxidizing agent, now all these are oxidizing agent, but potassium permanganate, sodium chromate and potassium dichromate are strong oxidizing agent, and has orange color crystal. Now hydrogen peroxide is colorless, potassium permanganate is purple, sodium chromate is yellow color, and potassium dichromate is orange color. So out of the given compounds, only potassium dichromate is orange color compound, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to identify which of the following is not chlorinated insecticides. So now if we find the structure of DDT, DDT is formed when chloral molecule is treated with chlorobenzene, chloral is treated with chlorobenzene in acidic medium, so that this compound is formed. Now this molecule is called DDT. and now DDT is having higher chlorine content, so it is chlorinated insecticide. Now methoxychlor is obtained when chloral molecule is treated with anisole molecule, methoxybenzene. Then we get methoxychlor, so this molecule is also having chlorine, higher percentage of chlorine. Now parathion is sulfur containing compound and none of the chlorine atom is present, so this is not chlorinated insecticide. Now BHC is formed when benzene molecule is reacted with chlorine in presence of sunlight, so hexachlorinated compound hexachlorobenzene is formed. Now this hexachlorobenzene is formed, C6H6Cl6. Now this molecule is also having higher percentage of chlorine, so correct answer is C.